So, in this video, I'm going to show you how to create realistic-looking UGC ad for Facebook that can make you around $1,000 a day on ClickBank affiliate marketing. And these creatives look something like this.
Ready to level up your photo game? Let this app work its magic and turn your pics into pure perfection.
This is the smartest gym bag to ever exist. The Conker backpack from King Kong. These dividers are amazing.
Avoid these two mistakes if you have an Android phone. Number one is getting too many useless emails. Number two is not being protected against spam. They are ruining your storage and productivity. Instead,
Now here's the crazy part. This ad was made entirely using AI. Yep, it's completely fake. The person in the video isn't real, the script is fake, and I'm going to show you exactly how to create one just like it. But first, let me explain why UGC-style ads are so powerful. They don't feel like ads. They feel like real people sharing genuine experiences. And that's what makes them so effective. They build instant trust and relatability. That's why big brands are shifting to this style. Because it grabs attention, stops the scroll, and drives action, all without feeling overly polished or salesy. And the best part? With the tools available today, you can create these kinds of ads without hiring actors, renting studios, or using expensive gear. Now, before I walk you through exactly how to create a high-converting UGC ad like this from scratch, if you want to learn exactly how ordinary people from all around the world are making anywhere from $1,000 per day on up to $21,000 per day with ClickBank by leveraging AI with simple and shockingly cheap foreign traffic, comment the word AI, and I'll reply and send it to you, or you can click the first link in the description below, or go to insider10x.com. and download this free special book that will show everything about this method. Once you download the free book, you are going to be redirected to this page, where you have the opportunity to register for the free ClickBank workshop that will show everything you need to know to get started. Over $364 million in ClickBank affiliate commissions have already been generated within 3 years from the student by using this 3-step system. So make sure to go to insider10x.com or send me a DM on my Instagram, and I'll guide through all the steps. Alright, so like this video, and let's start with step 1, which is to find an offer on ClickBank, because we are going to use it for the ad. So log in into your ClickBank dashboard and go to Top Offers. From here, select the offer which has the highest gravity score. For example, this offer called Mytilin has over 500 gravity score. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go with this one. Alright, the second step, which is the most important one, is to spy on other people's ads, which are printing money, so we can model it and make our own ad script. So for that, head over to Pippi Ads or click the second link in the description below, and you'll land here. Then click on Start for free. Make sure to create your account, and this is what you are going to see. Pippi Ads is a spy tool that lets you see working and winning ads that are currently running on TikTok and Facebook, which are printing money. If you are doing dropshipping, you can just come to this winning product section, and it will show you all the winning products and their ads which are currently running on TikTok and Facebook. So I'm here in this dashboard. What you need to do is go to the ad library. From here, make sure Facebook is selected in case if you want to run Facebook ads. Next, select the country to the United States, because it's going to give you the ads that are running in United States. Next, select the like amount to medium. Next, come here to the search bar. And this is where you are going to enter the specific keyword about your product, which is then going to find the exact ads about our products. So come here to ClickBank. This is the product that we want to create the ad. So click on the affiliate page and copy your affiliate link. Next, open it in a new tab, and you'll see the headline, "This purple peel exploit vaporizes fat cells." Purple peel exploit is the hook. It sparks curiosity, pulls people into the video, and leads them towards buying. That's the whole point of a hook. Grab attention, make them want more, and guide them to the offer. That's why a lot of affiliates use specific words and hooks in their ads. So here's what we're going to do. Let's search for purple peel exploit on Pippi Ads and hit enter. As you can see, it shows us all the top performing ads currently running on Facebook. For example, I found this UGC style ad. It has 544 likes and has been running for 23 days, which likely means it's profitable. Because let's be honest, if it wasn't making money, the advertiser wouldn't be running it for that long. Let me click on it and play it for you.
I went from size 18 to 10 in just 2 months at 48. No diets, no gym, just this weird purple peel secret. I don't usually share personal stories like this, but I feel like I have to tell you about the purple peel exploit that completely changed my life.
As you can see, it's clearly made using AI. In fact, it even looks like AI. Almost anyone can tell. But here's the surprising part. It's still making money. Now don't worry, I'm going to show you how to create UGC ads that look way more realistic than this. So good that people won't even be able to tell it's AI. This particular ad is almost 2 minutes long, and it's still active. Another sign it's working. Now the next, and most important, step is to verify if their landing page is actually getting traffic, because if they're not getting traffic, it's unlikely they're making sales either. So I'm going to click on the landing page directly from the ad. As you can see, they're using a quiz-style landing page, pretty common in high-converting funnels. Now, I'll use a tool called SimilarWeb. It helps you see how much traffic a website is getting. And boom! Look at that! They started running ads in April, and traffic jumped to nearly 9,000 visitors in just 1 month. That's a clear sign this ad is working, and they're making money. Now let's head back to Pippi Ads. From here, I highly recommend downloading the video. We'll need it later. Next, click on Extract Script. This tool will analyze the ad and give you a breakdown of its structure. It shows you the hook, the core principles, the ideas behind the ad, even a full storyboard, which we don't need right now. But most importantly, here's the full script, and this is what we're going to model. So now that we've got the script, the next step is to customize it and create our own unique version for our offer. Next, copy the ad script we just extracted and head over to ChatGPT. Click on the Explore GPTs tab, and in the search bar, type $1 Million Writer. Select this GPT and click on Start Chat. Now paste your script inside curly brackets and type the following prompt. Rewrite this with the same tone and make it unique. This is a video ad for a weight loss product. Then hit enter. In just a few seconds, it will generate a brand new, high-converting version of your ad script. As you can see, it starts with a strong hook like, 2 months ago, I was a size 18. Today, I'm a size 10. No gym, no lights. Just this tiny purple peel that completely changed my life. And then it flows into the rest of the story. Now, if you notice that there's no call to action in the script, simply type something like, give me call to action at the end of the script to make them click the Learn More button. Also, if you want to adjust the video length, you can type, increase the length to 1.5 minutes. Once you hit enter, it will give you an optimized script, complete with a CTA, proper structure, and matching tone. When you're happy with the result, just copy the script and paste it somewhere for later. Alright, now it's time to create your UGC ad. Click the first link in the description below. It'll take you straight to this page. ArcAds is one of the top AI-powered UGC tools in the industry, trusted by marketers and affiliates to create high-converting video ads in minutes. I mean, just take a look at this video. It was made using ArcAds.
Avoid these 2 mistakes if you have an Android phone. Number 1 is getting too many useless emails. Number 2 is not being protected against spam. They are ruining your storage and productivity. Instead,
Is your mind blown? Because mine was the first time I saw it. That's not even a real person. It's completely fake. 100% AI generated. No actors, no camera, nothing. And yet, it looks so real, like someone actually recorded this in their bedroom, sharing their honest experience. This is the power of AI UGC. And now, you're about to learn how to create one just like this. So go ahead and click on this button to create your account. Once you've signed up and completed the setup, you'll be redirected to this page. This is your playground, the place where you're going to create your very first ad. Step 1 is to write your script. Since I've already created one, I'll just copy and paste it right here. Next, click on Add Actors. This will show you hundreds of AI actors you can choose from. On the left-hand side, you can filter by gender. Since we're creating a weight loss ad, I'm going to select female. Now, you'll see a full list of female AI actors. Pretty cool, right? You can also choose the age group that best fits your target audience. Next, there's the Situations section, where you can pick different scenarios like drinking, family, new style, and more. For this example, I'm going to select kitchen because it ties directly into diet and weight loss, making it super relatable for our audience. As you can see, it's pulled up all the AI actors in a kitchen setting. I think this one right here is exactly what I was looking for. She's middle-aged, which is perfect for our target audience. You also have other options like accessories, facial expressions, emotions, and more to really customize the look. Alright, So this is the avatar I'm going with. I'll go ahead and select her. And here's what it looks like once added to the scene. Before we generate the video, let's preview the voiceover.
2 months ago, these didn't fit. I was a size 18. Today, size 10. No workouts, no crash diets, just this odd little purple peel. I tried everything. Spinach and chicken, boring, keto, paleo,
Okay, it sounds good, but I think it's a bit too fast. So I'm going to slow down the speed a little and play it again.
2 months ago, these didn't fit. I was a size 18. Today, size 10. No workouts, no crash diets, just this odd little purple peel. I tried everything. Spinach and chicken, boring.
Nice! That sounds much better, more natural and easier to follow. Let's also test the style exaggeration to see how it affects the tone. I'll turn it up and play it back.
2 months ago, these didn't fit. I was a size 18. Today, size 10. No workouts, no crash diets, just this odd little purple peel.
I don't really like how that sounds. A bit too much. So, I'll just set it back to default. Alright, everything looks good now. So, I'm going to hit Generate Video. The video is now rendering in the background. It might take a few seconds or a couple of minutes, so I'll come back once it's ready. Alright, as you can see, the video is ready. I'm gonna hit play and see how it turned out.
2 months ago, these didn't fit. I was a size 18. Today, size 10. No workouts, no crash diets, just this odd little purple peel. I tried everything.
And boom, just look at that. The video looks super realistic. The voiceover flows naturally, and the entire ad feels like something you'd actually see on Facebook. It's clean, believable, and exactly the kind of UGC style content that stops the scroll and grabs attention. Now that your ad is ready, I'm gonna hit download. Alright, so the next step is to add some B-roll footage in the background and place the AI-generated lady in front of it using a green screen effect, just like this which you are watching on the screen. This makes the ad feel way more dynamic and visually engaging, like a real person talking in a real environment. And the best part? I'm going to show you how easy this is. Seriously, anyone can do it, even if you've never edited a video before. Let's jump in, and I'll walk you through the process step by step. So first, open CapCut. It's a free video editing tool from TikTok. If you don't have it yet, make sure to download the CapCut app. Once you're inside, click on Create New Project. Now, upload the video we just created and drag it into the editing timeline. Next, change the aspect ratio to 9:16. This is the perfect format for TikTok and Facebook ads. Now here's the cool part. Go to Remove Background and click on Auto Removal. CapCut will automatically remove the background from your video. And boom. As you can see, the background is gone. You might be wondering, why are we removing the background? And you'll see exactly why in just a second. Now let's listen to the first few seconds of the video to get a feel for what's being said, so we can match it with an eye-catching background that makes the ad more relatable and engaging.
2 months ago, these didn't fit. I was a size 18. Today, size 10. No workouts, no crash diets, just this odd little purple peel.
Alright, so the first few seconds of the video say something like, 2 months ago, these didn't fit. I was a size 18. Today, I'm a size 10. So what we're going to do here is find a background video that visually supports that statement. To do that, I went on TikTok and searched for something like tight clothes on fat women's. And boom, I found a video that matches the story perfectly. So I'm going to click on the video, copy the link, and then head over to a site called SnapTik. I'll paste the link there and download the video without the watermark. Once the video is downloaded, import it into CapCut and drag it onto the timeline below your AI video. Now I'm going to find the part where I want this clip to begin, and I think the opening scene works perfectly. So I'll trim the clip to start right there. Then I'll mute the audio from this background video. We don't need it playing over our AI voiceover. Now I'm going to drag this clip above the AI video layer so it appears behind our actor. And as you can see, it already looks way more engaging and dynamic. Next, I'll resize the AI actor layer and reposition it to one side so it doesn't block the background action. Something like this. Now, let's play the video and figure out exactly where the background footage should end.
2 months ago, these didn't fit. I was a size 18. Today, size 10. No workouts, no crash diets, just this odd little purple peel.
Alright, this seems like the right point to cut the background. So I'll go ahead and trim the background clip right here. Next, let's listen to the clip again to figure out what kind of background we should add next.
2 months ago, these didn't fit. I was a size 18. Today, size 10. No workouts, no crash diets, just this odd little purple peel. I tried everything.
All right, it mentions this odd little purple peel. So now, we need a background visual that matches that line. Something weird, something purple. I'm back on TikTok, and I searched for weird purple fruits to see what comes up. There are a bunch of interesting videos, and I found one that looks super bizarre and eye-catching. Perfect for what we need. So I downloaded the video, and now I've imported it into CapCut. I'll drag the clip onto the timeline, mute its audio, and then listen to the voiceover to figure out exactly where this background should go.
It's just this odd little purple peel. I tried everything.
All right about here sounds like the perfect spot to insert it. So I'm going to trim the background clip and cut it right at this point. Now what I'm going to do is drag this new clip into the timeline, right where it needs to go. Next, I'll cut the clip here, and to make a precise cut, I'm going to turn off the main track magnet so I have full control. Then I'll trim this part of the clip and listen to the voiceover to find the perfect spot to end this scene and transition to the next background.
Everything. Spinach and chicken, boring. Keto, paleo, vegan. Yep, been there, done that. Cardio until my knees hurt.
All right, this part sounds perfect. So I'll cut the clip here and delete the remaining portion. Let's preview it and see how it flows.
I tried everything. Spinach and chicken, boring. Keto, paleo, vegan. Yep, been there, done that. Cardio until my knees.
Awesome. It's really coming together. You can already see how much more engaging the ad looks with these dynamic background clips. Now, what I recommend is adding a few more background clips, maybe of people doing relatable things, to really polish it up and keep it visually interesting. To save time and not make this YouTube video too long, I've already gone ahead and added a few more clips in the background. All right, now for the final step. Let's add captions. It's super quick and easy, and it'll boost watch time and engagement like crazy. Go to the text section, then click on Auto Captions and hit Generate. It'll take a few seconds, and your captions will be added throughout the entire video automatically. Once the captions are ready, let's make them stand out. First, drag the caption layer to the center of the screen. Then scroll down and choose a bold, eye-catching preset. I'm going with this one. As you can see, the captions are now super clear and really pop on the screen, which helps boost engagement. And that's it. Once you're happy with how it looks, go ahead and hit Export to save the final version of your ad. Now let's take a look at the final ad.
2 months ago, these didn't fit. I was a size 18. Today, size 10. No workouts, no crash diets, just this odd little purple peel. I tried everything. Spinach and chicken, boring. Keto, paleo, vegan. Yep, been there, done that. Cardio until my knees hurt? Absolutely.
All right. As you can see, the ad looks clean, professional, and feels just like real UGC content. The best part? You did all of this using AI, without showing your face or spending a single dollar on production. Now, if you want to learn exactly how ordinary people from all around the world are making anywhere from $1,000 per day on up to $21,000 per day by leveraging AI with simple and shockingly cheap foreign traffic, make sure you check out the first link in the description below, or go to insider10x.com and download this free special book that will show everything about this method. Once you download the free book, you're going to redirect to this page where you have the opportunity to register for the free ClickBank workshop that will show everything you need to know to get started. Over $364 million have already been generated within 3 years from the student by using this 3-step system. So, before everyone and their grandma jumps on it, I want you to click the first link in the description below, or go to insider10x.com to take advantage of this golden opportunity right now. Make sure to watch the training until the end, as you only need to learn this system or skill once, and it will pay off for you forever. That's it for today's episode, and I'll see you in the next one.